Does your school want to save thousands of dollars each year and greatly improve your end of the semester teacher evaluation process? I thought so. My name is Piegza, and our company, Gap Technologies, has created an online courseevaluations.com product that will replace your end of the semester paper-based teacher evaluations. What we can do is save you thousands of dollars each year and give your teachers far superior analysis tools so that they will be able to exactly find out what they need to do to improve their performance for the next semester. This video has 4 parts. First, I'd like to talk about the problems you're currently experiencing with paper. Then I'd like to talk about how our solution will solve each of those problems. I'd like to give you a cost-benefit analysis and show you how you can start saving money this year just by switching to our solution. And finally, I'd like to show you what the next step is into bringing our solution to your school.
Section 1. Here is a quick summary of the problems most schools experience with a paper-based tool. Number 1. The first major problem is its cost. In 1999, Kronhelm, Kurnow, Wishler, and Poker conducted a comprehensive study on the direct and indirect costs associated with conducting paper-based course evaluations and found that the cost to deliver an evaluation on paper is approximately $1.74 per evaluation. This means that even if a university with 10,000 students runs their evaluations 4 times more efficiently than Kronhelm et al. Suggest, that school spends over $40,000 per year performing their evaluations. The second problem is poor data analysis. We have spoken to many teachers who have complained that after reading their evaluations, they don't know exactly what to do to improve their performance. For instance, if 75% of the class loved a teacher in one area and 25% were dissatisfied in the same area, that teacher would have no clue what to do to reach out to that disgruntled 25%. Say the question was, the instructor speaks audibly and clearly. What would you specifically recommend to that teacher to improve their performance? In addition, it is difficult to track a teacher's performance over time with a paper-based solution and compile tenure reporting. The third major problem with paper is the delay in the published results. At most schools, collecting, scanning, and analyzing the data from thousands of individual evaluations is an enormous task. Because of this, faculty and administrators typically have to wait months to get the results. That means that instructors are already teaching their next class before they get feedback and have to wait to the next semester before they can implement their changes. Handwritten comments also pose a challenge. Schools have 2 basic options on what to do with a student's written responses. They can be typed up by someone on staff, necessitating thousands of hours of useless work, or the forms can be given directly back to the faculty. This obviously raises a huge confidentiality issue. Number 5. Schools are limited to a single, long question set. This means students can get confused by questions that aren't relevant to the course they just took. Plus, they must supply demographic information on each form. The result is survey fatigue, students not giving as thoughtful responses, and students becoming frustrated with the evaluation process. Section 2. Now that we've seen some of the critical drawbacks to the paper-based evaluation tool, let's take a look at how onlinecourseevaluation.com's solution solves each problem. Part 1. Savings. Our online system of evaluation can save your school 20% of the cost of a paper-based solution for the first year, and then 60% each year after that. Don't worry about getting socked with high upgrade costs either, because all of our future upgrades are free when you use our system. An enormous benefit to using our system is the data analysis tools that we provide. Our system has the capability to track performance over time, to see trends. We give you over 100 different reports and each of them can be directly exported to Excel for further analysis or tenure reporting. These reports will allow you to quickly pinpoint the areas where you can put the least amount of effort into and get the most improvement.